Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick review for the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. So this is Samsung's cheapest 5G smartphone, but it has a solid chipset by the way, and we will have a look now. Yeah, let's have a look first on the design. So at the front we have a glass of course, and at the back we have the plastic cover, but the glossy one, and it looks like a very nice quality, and also the design with the cameras here looks very nice. By the way, you can have the phone in 3 colors. So I have here awesome blue. You can have it as well in awesome black, awesome white, and awesome violet. So these colors would affect just the back and a bit the sides, but the front will be always black. And here we have a disadvantage because the frame, as you can see, is very big for phones, and that means that the phone is also very big in the hand. So we have just a 6.5 inches display here, but it seems like because the frame is so big here that we have a 6.7 inches display, and that makes it very large in the hand. And the 205 grams are also not too less, but it is still okay. So let's have a look here on the side. So we have here the power button, which one have the fingerprint sensor embedded as well. The volume keys, volume down, volume up, and we have here the USB Type-C, important if you need a second cable to charge the phone. And we have an audio jack, which one is also not so common anymore. Okay, let's have a look here on the back, because we have a quad cam here. We have a 48 MP main cam. We have an 8 MP ultra wide cam. We have a 5 megapixels macro cam here, and we have a 2 megapixels depth cam, and supported with an LED flash. By the way, you can shoot with this cam with the 48 MPs here also 4K videos. Okay, let me show you a bit the differences between the cameras. So this is the main cam, by the way. And the 48 megapixels, I think it's nice to know you use just 12 MPs. If you want to change it later, you just go here, then you can go to the higher resolution with the full 48 MPs. But I would recommend to you to work just with the 12 MPs, because the pictures become more smooth and dynamic and so on. So this is the main cam, but you can have also the ultra wide cam. If you're close to objects or like in group or something like this, like a group, then you can go here to the ultra wide cam, and then you can see you have much more range. But of course the quality is less because we have just 13 MPs. If you want to go back, just go to the two tweets, and you're back at the main cam, which one have the higher quality. Okay, and if you are very close to objects here like me now, because the camera cannot focus anymore, you can activate the macro cam, which one have 5 MPs. Then just go here on more, on macro, and then we have more clear pictures here with the macro cam, as you can see. Okay, now let's have a look here on the pictures. So I took one here on the day. I've compared these pictures with the Huawei P40 Pro, because then you can see what is possible. It's one of the best cams on the market. And yeah, you see the differences already. The camera is okay for the A32, but not so great. The colors are not so powerful and so on. And let's have a look now on the night pictures. And here you see a big difference. So the pictures are not so bright and so on. And at the front we have also, of course, a camera for the selfies, 13 MP cam, which one supports full HD videos. And this camera notch is embedded in the 6.5 inches TFT display, which one have a refreshing rate of 60 Hertz. And the resolution is here in HD. And at the back we have a non-removable 5000 mAh battery, which one supports fast charging with 15 Watt. It's not that much anymore, but better than nothing. And then the phone have an energy-saving Octa-Core CPU of MediaTek, the Dimensity 720 5G. The speed seems not to be so much, but at the end the performance is good. We have 2 times 2.0 gigahertz and 6 times 2.0 gigahertz as well. And the operating system is Android 11, so the newest Android, and also Samsung's UI 3.0. Attention with the storage, because we have 2 versions there with 64 gigabytes and 128 gigabytes. And what's a bit crazy is we have 3 versions of the 128 gigabytes. We have one with 5 gigabytes of RAM, one with 6, and one with 8. So it affects the performance if you're doing many stuff at the same time. So you should have a look. I have here, by the way, the 64 gigabytes with 3 gigabyte of RAM. Yeah, the phone allows you to insert 1 SIM card, and if you want, you can extend also the memory with a microSD card next to. Or if you have the dual SIM card, you're able also to insert 2 SIM cards, but then you have to remove the microSD card. If you have the single SIM version or the dual SIM version, just ask your local dealer. Yeah, the A32 5G supports of course 5G, supports of course 4G and 3G, if it's still available in your country, Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, and NFC for contactless payments. Okay, let's have a look what comes with that phone. Of course, the phone itself. Then we have a power charging adapter, which one supports fast charging. I've told you already. We have a USB Type-C cable. We have a quick start guide, which one is very quick, by the way. That's usually at smartphones. We have a warranty card, and we have here the SIM ejection tool to open the SIM slot. Yeah, what's not included? It's you have no headset included. We have no film for the protection here of the display, and we have no case included like other manufacturers are doing. But the basic stuff we have. You can have this actually for 260 euro or 320 pounds if you want. But I would recommend to you to wait 2 or 3 months, because the prices at Samsung are always going down very soon. Yeah, and the phone have also some nice features like the sidebar here on the side. If you swipe it in, you have your favorite apps and you can edit it here as well. So a nice tool to have quick access to your favorite apps. You have a screen recorder here to record your actions, to make a video here of the screen. Just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, then you have here the screen recorder. And then you can set up the sound source here if you just want to have the media of the game maybe, or the media sound and the microphone sound. And then if you go and start, you have a countdown here, and then you can record your actions. And if you want, you can also draw something here inside, and here you can stop your video. The same thing you can do also with screenshots. So if you just want to make a picture of the screen by just pressing the power button and the volume down button at the same time, and you will have a picture of the screen, and you can crop it after. Maybe if you just want to have a part of the screen, like a picture from a website or something like this. Everything is possible. And what is also very nice, we have something for the eyes, a blue light filter that is protecting the eyes and helps also to fall asleep better. If you're enabling it, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time. And on the second page, by the way, we have also some icons here, some apps like the eye comfort shield here, and that would enable the blue light filter. And as you can see, the color have changed already here at the display. And yeah, if you want, you can set it up also that it's just enabled at night, that it goes automatically. You can do that. But I would recommend to you to have this feature also on the day, because it reduces the eye strain. So think about your eyes. Yeah, then we have here also a one-handed mode, because as you know, the phone is very big, as I have told you, and I cannot reach everything with my large hands normally. I cannot reach everything, but if I swipe down the home button, then I have now access to the full phone here on the mini screen. And yeah, there's also possible to have, but you have to enable this feature first. So I will show you it in a tips and tricks video, by the way, as well, if you're buying this phone. And also one more thing, what is also very nice here is you can clone also apps. Maybe you can have 2 WhatsApp accounts. Maybe if you have inserted 2 SIM cards, you can have for each number an own WhatsApp account. You can have 2 Facebook accounts. and so on one phone. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this little review here. I hope I could give you a nice overview and help you a bit with your decision to buy it or not. At the end, I can tell you that you will have a nice phone for that price. But if you want to have a 5G smartphone, if it's the reason why you're buying this phone, that you want to have this 5G smartphone, I can really tell you to invest a bit more money, because then the chipsets should be better with a faster CPU and so on, to use 5G really. But if you want to have a solid phone, then I can recommend this for this price, because the price balance is nice for Samsung phones. Okay, yeah, I hope I could help you with this video at the end. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. As I said, I will create tips and tricks videos and so on for that phone. If you're buying this phone, I really recommend you this video. And yeah, you can subscribe me here as well to don't miss a video if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.